Hey, hey, hey. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below, and don't forget to click the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So today's video, I am going to challenge myself. I am going to be recreating a look, a makeup look. Some of my subscribers know I am not good at doing makeup at all, but that's what the picture looks like. That's the before and the after. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna do, but I actually like to challenge myself and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys that if I can do it, that you guys can do it too. So please watch the whole video and please do not skip the ads. Also, my eyebrows are not done, as you guys can see. I didn't get my eyebrows done. I was gonna do it tomorrow, but I wanted to do the makeup look today. So please pardon my eyebrows. I'm just gonna make them work. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I do need to get my eyebrows done. I'm just gonna work with what I have for now. We should never go there. So guys, this is the final look. Actually, never mind, it's not the same look that I showed you guys before, because first of all, as you guys could see in the video, I was struggling, like we don't know which colors. Like I saw pink, I saw orange, I saw purple, I saw red. So I was putting all these color eyeshadows on my eyes. It wasn't coming along, okay? It wasn't coming along at all. So I still need more practice, you know? So yeah, so I went ahead on YouTube and go look at Glowprincess, one of my favorite YouTuber after Aaliyah J. Of course, her go-to makeup looks, she always have like this red or like burgundy or pink/pink eyeshadows on. Yeah, so instead of that Instagram look, I recreated Glowprincess makeup look because I still need a lot of practice. So that's why it didn't turn out good at all, like how it was supposed to, because it was supposed to look like this, guys. It was supposed to look like this. But the more and more I kept putting colors on my eyes, it just wasn't turning out good. It just wasn't really this look. So I recreated this look instead because it's so pretty. She is so pretty. Dark skin girls, like pounds. Yeah, so I recreated her look, even though mine is a little more darker than hers, but it's okay, whatever. Yeah, I'm really digging this look, like, yeah, I feel mad sexy right now, guys. I'm sorry, like, I'm really like, I have like 3 beauty marks right here. I tried to like put black stuff over there, but it's just not working out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and thank you guys if you guys have made it this far of watching the whole video. Thank you guys. This was pretty much it of the video. I hope you guys liked the video and the look. So if you guys like the video and the look that I did and I helped somewhat of you guys, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah, and don't forget to comment down below also of what you guys think of the look. Did I do good of the Glow Princess look? So yeah guys, thank you guys, bye, see you guys next time, bye.